YouTube? It's your boy Tartinano back again with another banger. So as y'all can see by the title, we are driving a Hellcat for 24 hours. Let me show you guys the Hellkizzy real quick. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I know y'all see that kitty cat. So a big shout out to my boy Carries for letting me borrow the the Hook Kitty.
Hell yeah.
Hey, what do you think, bro?
Shit, you ready?
Shit.
You think you can handle this shit?
Yeah, I think so, boy. Yo, let's get
that
it.
red eye power? You ready for that?
I never actually driven a Hellcat before, so this is gonna be my first time.
Shit, you better not crash it.
Yeah, I'm not, bro. All right, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Yo, that is nasty. That is too crazy. That shit crazy, bro. Bro, this cat got too much power, bro. Yo, Chad, this shit is crazy. Hey, bro, so the Hellcat, there's no eco mode on that?
Shit, the auto.
Auto's eco?
I mean,
because on my shit, there's an eco mode though. So like every time I press it, like no suena tan recio.
Shit.
You don't have that?
Nah, I guess it's
Nah,
auto
bro.
for me.
Man,
Yeah, that's the only one.
Damn. So when you drive it, what do you drive it on? Track or sport?
Sport.
Sport?
Yeah, track. I don't like that.
You don't like it? You be
Steering wheel gets hard.
Yeah, nah. I need to get one of these.
Get one, man. I'm telling you. Cat's the way to go.
Oh, you got the sticky ickies on the back too, right?
Nah, hell nah.
Oh, nah?
It's been raining. It's been raining.
Oh, true.
Can't have those on right now.
Shit too bad. The camera got going crazy. Hell nah. Damn, this shit too crazy, son. Hell yeah, bro.
¿Para cuándo el tuyo?
Shit.
When you getting yours?
I wanna swap it. I wanna swap this cat for a Hellcat.
Just trade it in, or what you mean?
Yeah, just
swap
like
the motor.
No. Like trade it in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But a ver, si Dios quiere, para esta Navidad. Si no, para la next.
That's gonna be dope. That's gonna be dope.
No, count, bro. But
Red Eye Nano. You can make it happen.
That shit better be crazy, right? I know you love this car right here.
Wow. They should be costing me way too much money, though. Gas be gone so quick.
On mine too. When I use it on sport, like every 2 days, bro. You too, or every day?
Nah,
every 2 days.
Like day and a half if I'm really driving.
Yeah.
Keeping it cool. It'll last me the whole week. Not driving far or anything.
Yeah. Hey, what's like the pros and cons of owning a Hellcat?
Shit. I don't know. I feel like it's the same as Sky.
Yeah, same as Sky.
Yeah.
Right.
Just gotta be a little more careful.
Nah.
That shit spins out.
Oh, true. You know what I just realized too about a Hellcat? That it got like two coolants, two tanques.
Yeah.
I didn't know that, bro. Scats only have one.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, because
One is for the supercharger.
Yeah.
I noticed. Somebody told me that like once you gas it, the coolant like it sucks it all in the engine.
Yeah.
That shit crazy.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I need to do a flush on all of my fluids.
Yeah. I heard you had to like later also like drain the supercharger. Yeah.
I had to fuck one my way some.
No, can.
Nah, this shit feels crazier with the slicks on.
For real?
That shit's sticky. Like
you don't lose traction at all.
I mean, you do, but it's not how you usually do.
For real?
Yeah.
I
I put them on.
Right. You have them or you sold them?
Nah, I haven't. I'm not selling. Bro, I got them for a good ass deal.
How much you get them for?
12.
1200. And how much
for both?
They usually go for?
Like 4.
4 bands?
Or yeah, like 3 or 4. Just each tire is 500. Just the tire, la pura llanta.
Damn.
Yeah.
Bro. And then you got to have a special rim too.
The 3 days I was over there for.
Yeah, man. What did you want by yourself?
Doug.
Oh, man.
Doug and un moyo. My book.
Hey, where'd I go from here?
Sure, right? Yeah.
I love that
Downshift sound crazy.
I love that downshift. Man, was that a track over there?
Oh, what?
A track?
Track up?
No,
creo.
not like that.
Speed limit says 100.
This shit too sexy. You scared?
I'm chilling.
You scared?
Nah, I'm chilling. I've let a couple niggas driving.
For real?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Can't believe you trust them, bro.
Shit, I've seen them drive, so I know they can drive.
Yeah. But you ain't even seen me drive though. But you think because I had a steering with the scat?
If you got a scat, you can drive my shit. If you got a little knee socket, so I don't know about that.
Yeah, they shit too nice, bro. Hey, how fast you hit right here on this one? The speed limit?
175.
175?
Yeah. The top speed on it is 190 though. That wasn't me.
That wasn't you though?
Nah, hell no.
On my shit is like 191 too.
For real?
But it wasn't me.
I tried to break in here once, the speed limit. I had Doug posted up on one exit, another nigga on the other exit, another nigga on the other exit.
Oh, just to make sure they was
no cops, man.
You crazy.
That was the highest I got, 175. I should got like a limiter or something.
Maybe sometimes.
Yeah.
I heard that sometimes the dealer don't let you reach break. Bro, at one time I seen a motherfucker reach like 220.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to max out my D.
Yeah, nah.
I had a camera set up right here, pointed at me. And
oh, damn, that's your fault. That's your fault. Hey, you sure? I got the same one, bro.
Bro?
Yeah. It beepers like when there's a couple ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I have to. That's number one right there.
Hell yeah. How much was yours?
I think it was like 300.
My shit was free.
How was your free?
Millennial Doug.
Well,
that nigga got a better one, so he was like, you could borrow it. Has never asked for that shit back. I tried giving it back. He was like, nah, you can keep using it. Shit, I bet.
Yeah, nah, bro. This car got way too much fire.
Little bit. Not that much. I needed to say 1,000 on that. Right here.
Are you thinking of hitting 1,000?
Hell yeah.
You go.
I want to, but not right now.
Yeah.
In the future. Un tune. take it to underground tuning.
Okay. My boy got a tune too, but he got like the verbal stage 2.
Yeah. Tune yours, yeah.
Bro, yeah, I want to, but at the same time I don't, cause I heard the tune like sooner or later it gives like problems to the engine.
Bro.
Yeah, because like I think you put too much pressure on the spark plugs and all that.
Shit.
But I do love the sound of them, bro.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, especially of the pump.
I mean, this shit already pops, but I want that shit to be loud. So
I also want a flame kit.
Those are pretty dope.
Those are pretty cool.
Yeah,
Nah, you don't really fuck with them.
Yeah, I mean,
you don't give a fuck because you got an Hellcat.
nah. Have you seen that one nigga with the Chrysler, the purple one?
Oh yeah.
How his shit sounds?
Nike? Yeah.
How his shit sounds?
You want like
that? That shit don't sound like a regular wine. That motherfucker sounds like it's crying or something. I don't know what the hell. That's how my shit sounds.
Sure.
Hell yeah.
That's a monster. I heard I think he got like in trouble by the
Hell yeah. I'm pretty sure.
They like seized his shit, no?
He couldn't go nowhere.
Yeah.
And his car like la llanta valió verga.
Damn, hell no. That's so crazy. There's a little beamer behind us. I think he was swing.
That nigga don't want none. Nah, them shits be fast too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Especially them niggas be dropping hella money into them.
Nah, cause you can easily tune those, bro. Damn, I felt a steering wheel, that shit.
Or like if they're trying to race, bro, there's usually people that always be.
Oh yeah. Watch out, bro. Watch out.
Oh, that's bad.
Damn. I feel like every time you like downshift, that shit sounds so like it doesn't like at the same time you hit that
shit screams.
Yeah. You convincing me, bro.
Good, nigga. You'll be at the gas station every day. That shit's too much fun.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Scatty. Oh, yeah. I want to smoke with you, boy. Boy.
You making me look bad, nigga.
Right, hold on. That shit nice though, no cap, son.
Isn't it shaker hood?
Yeah. Where you going, boy? Where you going, boy? On my way. Easy, boy. Oh, they don't know how much no license. Hell yeah. Hey, you that motherfucker.
Ah, no mames, te estaba cagando.
Nah, you're good. Oh, I can't go that
cerrado?
Yeah, we can go that way. You need to go left right here.
Nah, I'll be bringing the truck through here, bro. When that shit was working, that shit would get more stairs than this.
Nah, I can't think of the disruption on the road, man. He actually hit me with that.
Nigga recording.
We some ghetto motherfuckers.
I think that nigga Thug got in trouble.
Oh, revenue shit?
Yeah. Or I think he stepped on it and it kind of skirted.
Oh shit. We out. Alright, Chad, we pulled up to a cookout because we got a little hungry. We better leave the kitty cat right here. We're gonna come back
outside.
We're gonna come back later to have a little bit more fun than that one. So we're gonna take a little lunch break and we're gonna come back. Alright, best Chad, so we're waiting on our food and hey, what you think about the little cuddle session right now we just had?
Shit, I need
You
like
scared?
5 more seat belts, bro. I'm over here. Nah, I'm just sitting.
Bro,
He got the wheel. He got the wheel.
But when I saw that scatty next to us, I'm like, ooh, this is my time to shine.
That nigga, he was looking like a little kitty in the toy shop.
No cap, Chad, bro. I was going crazy. That's what I needed. That's what I wanted y'all to see. So, y'all make sure y'all like the fucking video.
Yeah, tap in,
for,
like that
for some
shit.
more crazy content like that.
Comment, all that.
Yeah. Let's go. So, I'm gonna catch you guys in that next clip. So, Kitty Cat needed some gas, so we're here at a racetrack from some gas. But let me give you guys a little POV of the outside. If you haven't seen it yet, this color goes crazy. This hot pink, I love it, bro. Hey, you snap with this color, bro.
Hell yeah, everybody dick riding me now, though.
Yeah, everybody got this hot pink.
Everybody going pink now. I've seen like 3 or 4 new pink cars in my area since I wrapped my car.
Hell nah, bro.
But shout out my boy.
But
Shout out my boy Nano. Bless me with it.
had to, bro. Had to. But yeah, what's it called? So we better I think we're gonna end the video right here because we got some other stuff to do. But thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe on what you guys want to see next, and or what car y'all want me to drive next, and we'll give it to y'all. Alright, we out.